Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to add a Chrome shortcut on your desktop. So sometimes you may want to open up a website quickly and you want that shortcut to be on your desktop. So to do that, the first thing you have to do is open up Chrome and load a website that you want to have a shortcut for, like this website, which is Wikibooks. Then what you'll do is go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. After clicking on the three dots, what you'll do then is select the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. And when you hover over this option, another list of options will appear. And on this list of options, you'll select the option that says Install Pages App. So you'll click on this. And then a pop-up will appear and it will ask you for a name. And if you want to install, click on the button that says Install. So here it is opened up as an app. You can close this, and if you minimize this, you can see that Wikibooks has been installed as an app on your desktop. So you can just click on this and access the website. So this is how you add Chrome shortcuts on your desktop. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.